The Anoka Conservation District and the City of St. Francis teamed up to build a rain garden on this city outlot. The site was selected for its accessibility and its relatively large drainage area. Approximately 2 acres of stormwater runoff will be collected and filtered through this rain garden. A rain garden should only hold water for a day or two, so knowing the type of soil below is important. Both soil borings and infiltration tests found the soils in this area to be poorly draining with high clay content. Because we don't want water standing for too long, an underdrain system was installed. The underdrain system consists of 2 perforated PVC pipes and 4 drain cleanout ports. The perforated pipes are wrapped with knitted socks that prevent sand from entering inside. The excavated trench is then filled with layers of different material that improve water infiltration. This includes 7 inches of washed stone, 2 inches of pea gravel, and 24 inches of engineered media, which is made from sand and organic material such as peat. A vertical riser pipe allows for more water to infiltrate into the native soil below. Any excess water will then flow down the pipe until it reaches a knife gate valve. The valve can be opened, closed, or adjusted somewhere in between to ensure that the rain garden holds the right amount of water for the right amount of time. At the end of the underdrain system, a hole is drilled through the concrete catch basin and the pipe is inserted inside. This will convey excess water from the rain garden to the city's storm sewer network. Inside the catch basin, a backflow preventer may be required depending on the elevation of the sewer pipes. At the rain garden inlet, a pre-treatment chamber is installed and lined with small rock. The existing curb is removed and replaced to help direct water from the street into the garden. To pre-treat water that enters the rain garden, we utilize our own designed pre-treatment chambers. Models include the bunker, the turret, and the foxhole. Each has their own unique advantage, but the turret was selected in this project for its versatility. The turret is comprised of a concrete chamber, a fiberglass grate, and a filter wall. The top grate initially captures leaf litter and larger debris, while the bottom filter captures smaller particles. Finally, the finishing touches are added. Native plants are planted in the garden, including swamp milkweed, Joe Pye weed, dwarf cranberry bush, blue flag iris, prairie blazing star, cardinal flower, prairie dropseed, butterfly milkweed, and many more.